All right, folks. We made it to Denham Springs. We are at Florida Boulevard and where is this? Florida and Range. And we come over here because if you notice, right there where the water's at, Sharon and David live right on the other side of this building, and so is the Denham Springs Police Department, which now has water in it. So I'm trying to get David's butt back over here so we can get them to our house. Florida Boulevard is shut down. You can't get here, but you can get here through the interstate. So, but the water is rising very rapidly over here. Very rapidly. I talked to David and Sharon this morning at 3 a.m. Water wasn't up. And then exactly at 4:30, an hour and a half later, this is where we at. The water is approaching Florida Boulevard. But the police were nice enough to let me in because they're stranded right here at the where are we at? The Whitney Bank. And look, there's the police over there. Look, Cody joined us and he's behind us. Look, there's Sharon and the dogs. We hoping David will walk back over here soon. Because I don't want to have to get out and walk through all that water to go get him. Sydney, we trying to stay safe. But the rivers are not cooperating. So the rivers are rising. We're going to be 4 feet above flood stage. So that would be in Sharon and David's house, probably be 3 feet of water. That's what David and I discussed. Hey Val, you up this early this morning? Look, it's 6:30 and Val joined us. Listen, look, Lacey said, get your shit and come on. Girl, we can't even get anywhere. I promise you. The police was nice enough to let me in over here. I've already had one battery go dead on my phone. This is my second battery. I'm trying to stay alive because I've been up since 12:45 watching this. Now, quote unquote, I'm not supposed to flood, but a lot of people wasn't supposed to flood. And I've got water in my neighborhood, which has never been there. So we're just trying to get David out of his house. I know Cody. Look, Cody's right behind us. Look, let's see where Cody is. Oh, where'd Cody go?
He's still behind you.
He's still behind me.
You can't see him because the window.
So, well, like I said, guys, this is we're at the Whitney Bank on Florida Boulevard. Bro, you can't go through no more. You got to stop. The Denham Springs Police Department is taking on water. I'm trying to wait for David to get his butt here. He walked back to his house just to grab some stuff because the water just started rushing in.
Cody's flashing his lights.
Cody's flashing his lights?
Yeah.
Why is he flashing his lights? He might be, let me go see. Let's go see what Cody needs. Let's get wet again. I like getting wet. Bruh! Look, they let that truck get right up in there. You want to try to go around and let's see how far we can get. Nothing else. We're gonna have to walk through the water and get him out. Sharon! Say hello, Sharon. We're live on Facebook. Look, did you get in touch with David?
No. I'm freaking out.
Okay, all right, don't freak out no more. Cody, come on, let's go around. All right, y'all, I'm gonna, Jesus Christ, I'm gonna pray real hard. That's for sure. Oh, Lord. Well, I think we just gotta go in. We're just gonna go in. My shoes are, I should have got my boots from my daddy's. All right, David, we coming to get you. Oh my God. Where is this? This is Denham Springs. I'm at the, oh my God, I can't get in. I'm on the corner of Florida and Range. And this is, the police station is behind here. And the police station is taking on water. It's taking on water. Look at all the water. Oh my God, where's David? He probably went to this water, but is there water over there? Maybe we can go around. Look at that. Look at that. I need that Tonka truck right there. Bring me the Tonka truck. Look at all the water. They're trying to get them vehicles started. They're swimming. They got them cranked, yep. All right, folks, we're gonna walk around here and pray to God we can get in. And then we'll get back to Baton Rouge, to my house, and then we'll get everybody situated and we'll try to make it to my parents, but I don't know. Here we go, we're at the police station now. Okay, let's see what's going on. All right. Cody, what we gotta do is we'll get to that police station, try to get to that fire department right there. And they live, their house is on the corner to the left. But I don't know. That's past the waist, look. Jesus. Look at that water rushing. See? Oh my God. Let's see if we can see him. Oh, come on. All right, we still got to go through the police, through that parking lot. And David, look at the car stranded. That's where David's house is at. David and Sharon. All right. Let's see. Where is he at? There he is. See the car part light on? No, straight ahead. Look at me. Yeah. Straight ahead. David! David! Shit. I don't know how deep it is. Well, here's the deal. Son of a bitch. He's got to get out of there. David! David! Yeah. Yeah, people are watching. I ain't worried about that. If he's outside, my feet are soaking wet. Is somebody in that car blinking lights?
That's a cop car, Don. It's parked out there.
That's a cop car? If he'd answer his phone, what I'm afraid of is I don't know what, not necessarily afraid of going through water, but how deep are we going to go through it? And see that current going through? So we walk straight across where the lights are blinking.
I got electronic stuff in my pocket. I'm not going to do that.
No, you're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to kill this, and you got to give me your phone. Man, look at this. Look at you. All right, let me hang up and try to call him. Hey guys, the guy on Facebook said there's a drop-off. I mean, I'm trying to figure out where the street is. If we stay on the street, there's the street sign, and then we go to the left, and we can walk down the street, but I just don't know how deep it is. Man, shit. Why did he go back? David! All right, let me get off of here and see. Let me go to the police station. Let me see if I can get somebody at 911. Jesus.